Hello, my name is Carrie Kepler. I'm a functional training coach. If you would like to improve your athletic performance, improve the quality of your life, the following exercise is a multi-directional lunge with a medicine ball twist. During this exercise, you're going to use the entire body while improving the flexibility and range of motion of your torso. During this exercise, you're going to take a medicine ball, start light. You can always increase weight as you get better and stronger at the exercise. You're going to start with a lunge forward. Medicine ball starts over your head. As you lunge down, you will twist the medicine ball to the side. You'll stand back, and you're going to switch directions. You want to pivot your foot, lunge and twist. You're back center, lunge and twist, and again to the side. You want to perform this exercise on both sides, going from 8 to 10 reps, and of course increasing up to 15 repetitions.